So I am super excited. I have some amazing news, and it's about a new membership community that I have put together to really help you as a leader become truly aligned as fuck using human design, gene keys, quantum human design, and really creating tools and resources and conversation around what leadership can be, could be, and what we are moving into. And so I'm super excited to announce that the Aligned as Fuck Duck Pond is now open. And you might be like, why a duck pond? And I will tell you, think about it for a minute. We are all just a bunch of ducks. No matter how well we show up or how much we look composed and poised and like we got our shit together, oftentimes we're moving a mile a minute under the water and our legs are going crazy, and we struggle with imposter syndrome, and we struggle with challenges and trials and tribulations that oftentimes we're not talking about. And so this community, the pond, is a space for leaders who are heart-centered, soul-led, mission-driven, who really want to elevate the conversation of leadership, who want to elevate the conversation of alignment, and who really want to do that by understanding your innate wiring, your design, your energetic blueprint, and that of those that you're interacting with. So everything from relationship dynamics and design, from how you work, rest, and play best, to how you feed and nourish your body, to how you lead, how you awaken, activate, and amplify that beautiful leadership voice of yours. All of that and more. This is a community that has been designed to be extremely interactive, engaged. I will be going live multiple times a month for monthly AMP sessions, which are activation or alignment mastery play spaces, as well as heart seat coaching sessions where you can actually dig into your design directly, and we can answer the questions that you have. I also have mini pods inside the pond where you can access tools and resources for your specific type. So there is manifestor magic, there is generator greatness, there is projector power, manifesting generator magnetism, and reflector radiance, and you have your own pod inside the pond that you can also take advantage of. And so I am offering this community for $49 a month, or you can do an annual fee and save like $91 at $497. But for $49 a month, you can stay in as long as you want. There's no long-term commitment, but I hope you will consider jumping in and diving into the pond so that together we can create massive ripples of impact and sustainable change.